Hi everyone, thanks for joining my life. I'm just waiting on a few more people to come in. Yeah, sure. Stop asking me stupid questions.
Auntie, what's your brother there? He's supposed to be getting ready.
Mom, I'm doing live. Oliver's weird. He doesn't want to go to Jamaica.
Well, then can you try to convince him to go?
Mom, you know Oliver rather stay in his room and play video games all day.
Well, that's why I was sending him. Can't lock up in his room every day playing video games. Just stop. Me make the sandwich for you before you cut off your finger. You see the twine is so spoiled you can't even make a simple sandwich without hurting yourself. It's not gonna be good for Oliver. You will see.
So why won't you send me too? I'm the one that wanted to go to Jamaica, not him. I don't even know why you're sending him. He doesn't even want to go.
Well, 2 reasons. Oliver is very antisocial and I need him to break out of his shell. The second reason, you're a girl.
Well, Diana's there, and she's a girl, so why can't I be there?
Because Diana chose to be there. She went there when she was over 18. You're still a minor. You live underneath my roof.
So I have to do another year in that boring ass school? I want to go to school in Jamaica. I heard it's more fun.
Antavia, I'm not talking to you about this again. You're not going.
Daddy, Mom won't let me go to Jamaica with Oliver. Can you please let her change your mind?
Octavia, come on, man. If we make she go to, man, make she experience it too.
Nope, she'll stay right here so with we. She's not going to know Jamaica.
But that's not fair. I wanted to go. This is so stupid. I hate you guys. It's not fair. I wanted to go to Jamaica and not have to stay here. Oh.
You just still a lie down? Well, even now, Junior, I don't wanna go. So what you want to do then? You want to lock up in your room for the rest of your life? When you see you bring no friends over here, but you see you have a little girlfriend, what you want to do with your life? Everyone's acting like I'm a bad kid or something. Nobody not say that. You get good grades, so you have good youth. But you not live your life, you just lock up in your room. Daddy and Octavia worry. Trust me, you have like Jamaica. It's fun. That's why they should send Antavia. She wants to go. Oliver, Antavia mad woman. Them not worry about she. Them don't know what fair problem is. Are you them concerned about? Oof. Them feel like you're depressed. Them only saying you for a little while. It's not like you're gonna live there forever. Come on, youth. Live a little bit, no man. You know much people wish them to get this opportunity. Plus when you're down there, you go sit. Them gonna send money and thing today and now you're a good man. You get the opportunity to enjoy life and experience something different. What about you? You're gonna see Diana, and it's been years now. How do you feel about it? I mean, are you ready to see her and be adjusted to what's going on? I mean, you don't talk about her, so that's why I'm asking. I'm not pretty Diana, man. What's she engaged, you know, and the top past things now. Are you me a thing? Besides, you know, I meet the rest of your siblings, them. I must say, Daddy have a bag of pitney, you know. And Diana live near the beach. So you can go to the beach whenever you want, and it's hot and it's nice. Not like the beach over here, you know. You're gonna stay for a week, right? Yeah, but remember, I have to go back to work, you know. They won't give me a week off, but I'll be right back. But don't worry, we try to visit as much as can. Okay? Okay, thanks, bro. Yeah, man, Junior, go take him. You must stay with there now. More good, man. Yeah, I need a little experience, something different. No, man, we're not saying on TV, it's too wild.
Junior, I want to thank you so much for doing this for us. I really appreciate it. We would bring him, but it's just sure we don't have, the time.
It's cool, man, Octavia. And plus, I've never been in Jamaica for so long, so I'm actually like, I look forward to it. Oh, look how my son stress sharp, man. Yo, cool it, no daddy. Oh, when y'all give me some grand pitney. From when me I wait for you to call, say, you have a baby. But I guess you'll wait. Come on, Julia. When you go find a nice girl for yourself. Speaking of girl, make sure you give, Oliver some condom.
No, bother with it. No condom argument. I'm not going to.
Oh, I'm telling you, this is my youth me I talk boy, Trust me. Once him get comfortable, I'm gonna find a nice girl. But they ain't a clicking yet. Octavia's at work because I don't want to turn grandmother. I'm telling you, enjoy the grandmother lifestyle. How much grandpitney me have? Don't worry, man, Octavia. One day you're gonna be a granny. And you're gonna be a nice granny.
Seriously, do not listen to him. Do not give Oliver no condoms. Me don't want him to do anything, okay? Talk to him for me, please, Junior.
Nor about a thing, Octavia. But talk to him already. Him understand everything. You not have to worry about him ending up like daddy. With a plethora of pitney. Don't worry about that. Junior, no bother with it. Don't see your game already. Like the suit. I wonder who you are trying to impress in Jamaica. Hey yo daddy, you're funny you know. But anyways, suitcase pack up and everything. I lock up my condo. So, ready for go. So, say goodbyes to Oliver. And do anything.
Thank you so much again, Junior.
No worry about it, man. Yo son, make sure you get your girl. Daddy, how wireless.
So high I'm hypnotized. What's up is down, what's left is right. Chasing stars and holding you. I can't see the end, but we'll see it through. Times don't fly too high. Be sure to keep the ground in sight. Fly forever if you keep it tight. Love the world but keep the sky on your mind. Get on board. We're soaring on top of.
So you signed up the local youth for the school?
Of course. You know me, I was a work ahead. Until they say I'm doing very well in school. With his grades, he's going to go to one of the best high schools in Jamaica.
No, just like I did.
Hard deep, you're very show off, you know? But smart is sexy.
Boy, Diana, you're really prepared, you know? You know, feel like you make a very good mother. Where will it start? Come on, we need to start. Go and make a baby.
I really don't have time for that. More focus on us first. Before we have any kids. Okay? Should they be going to work? We don't have time for sex.
Alright, man. Like why you run me? My head up now. I will take a shower.
Hey, Oliver, relax, man. You're good, okay? I'm there with you. So long, okay? Daddy said there and have everything set up for you. Your own room, you know, you have your own space. I'm just feeling a little nervous. Just relax, okay? You know, I have another anxiety attack, so just calm your nerves, alright? Just try to remain positive. Don't make nothing bother you. You're gonna be alright.
Antavia, what are you doing?
Antavia, move to the way, man.
I have something to say to both of you.
Come on. Make sure you explain her.
The fact that you both don't want to send me to Jamaica proves that because Oliver is a man and I'm a woman, you think he has more power over me. So, in my conclusion, that would make you, Dad, sexist, and you, Mom, a pick-me. And this is basically borderline discrimination against me for being a woman, which is wrong, especially nowadays. So if you two don't send me to Jamaica, you're both going to be cancelled. Ew, gross. You guys are not even listening to me. I'm talking to you. You guys are here kissing. I'm so sick and tired of this family.
Oliver, you get so big. Come here. Oh my god, you favor Anthony so much.
Really? A lot of people say I look like mom.
Yeah, you have our eyes. I have to use the bathroom. Door on the left. So, how have you been doing, Junior?
What do you know? Just come for drop him off. Him suitcase them so. Me come check him tomorrow. Hey babes, how you doing?
I'm just here in your condo thinking about you. I miss you so much.
I miss you too, Diane.
Wait, what did you just call me?
Oh, sorry babe, my bad. There's a Jamaican artist called Diana. You know, it's close to your name, Diana.
Oh, when you come back, we should listen to her. I love when he introduced me to Dex the Tops. I really like his songs. But I miss you, baby. Maybe next time you'll bring me to Jamaica with you.
Yeah, no problem, I will. You know, when I buy the house, we can come here all the time.
Yeah, when you buy that house. Anyways, I'll talk to you later. I have to go sleep. I'm tired.
Alright, Diana, later, okay? I love you.
Okay, baby, I love you too. Bye.
Youth, weirdo. That's not
Oh
your.
shit, I'm sorry. I saw the ball here and I didn't know who.
Yeah, eat it or something? Anyways, that's my ball. Why would a man always think that we can just take things from people? What, you me a girl? You think you can just take my ball?
Susie, relax. This is my brother Oliver, the one from Canada.
These say your brother? Really? No, see, rotten like you. Really punkish.
Susie, man, go easy upon him, alright? He's a good youth. Plus, him a go to school.
You might go to my school. You sure you wanted that? That they gonna eat my life.
That's why I want you look out for him. Okay, do it to me as a favor, please.
Alright. Well, let me be clear to you, Diane. But, Kariba says she wants to talk to you. And Sebastian may kick, but maybe it's speed of what I like to. Sorry.
That cool, man. I gotta check them later. Alright, head home, okay? It's getting dark. I don't want an up and tape on the road.
Alright. Bye, Diana. Bye, nerd.
Don't pay Susie no mind. She's actually a really nice girl. She's my best friend's husband's niece. Also, she's my brother's niece. It's complicated.
She's kind of cute.
Come on, come in for dinner.
Oh, okay. Oh, Susie. Oh, shit.
You seem more happy today. What's on your mind? Anyways, me head off to work, okay? Me send Sebastian and Karima number to your phone in case anything. And remember, Junior come pick you up today, okay?
So, wait, you're really not coming home tonight?
No, I told you. When I'm done work, I'm gonna go to my fiancé house. He lives closer to my job. Remember, I don't have a car, so it's easier for me. And when I wake up, I'm gonna come back home.
Oh, okay.
Don't worry. Karima lives right down the road. And Junior is here, so if you need him, just call him. Tell him to come over. Alright? You'll be fine, okay? Anyways, I'm gonna be late.
Okay, bye.
Remember, call me if anything. Alright?
Yo, can I sit on the sun and talk? So, how was your sleep last night?
It was actually pretty good.
Is that Diana? Girl asked me for e-transfer money again. What that time I send her money. I don't understand. Why don't you just break up with her? Giving her money is not really an issue to me, no dog. The thing is, I just want to feel something fair about it. They just not it.
Can I ask you something?
Yeah, man.
Like, I want to understand why you and Diana don't try to work things out.
Bro, change the subject. Is any girl we like? I mean, overall, any girl in that community?
Well, there was this. Well, she called me a nerd, but she's really cute.
I mean, no this thing youth, but you have to change up your style a little bit.
Junior, I don't have the swag that you and Dad have. I mean, I've never had, sex.
Nor about that. That'll happen in time.
Well, like how you're here, can you teach me how to roll a spliff?
Boy, I'm trying not to be a bad influence, But, yeah. But don't tell Octavia, alright?
No, break left. Left. Man, come on, you idiot. You're messing this up already. Let's go.
Hell, someone's kicking a ball?
You know it's really creepy just standing there and watching me. What you are, a stalker?
No, I'm sorry. I heard someone kicking the ball and I was just wondering who's outside.
Why just stop the lights, alright?
What are you doing?
Diana said you're gonna be here by yourself all night. So come over and cook you some dinner. So get say on the foreign pity don't know for do nothing. I'm gonna do this for you one time where you're going to learn how to cook by yourself eventually if you're going to survive down here.
Thanks. I really appreciate you cooking for me.
Don't tell me thank you, sister. Because if it wasn't for she, I would not come over here.
Well, I appreciate you, yeah.
Why relax? Mom would always add up the frank beans. She'll already cook it. So we not have to stay here that long. So this one full game you have, you're now on MILFs, you're now GTA 5. What the hell is this? This is boring. May I go on my yard?
Wait. Why don't you stay a little long? I have more games if you want to play something else.
Nope. This is boring and I'm going home. Bye.